Hello, T-Rex fans. Mama T-Rex had to go hunt for little Joey, so I'm babysitting until she gets back. So let's all be really sweet to our little pal Joey. Isn't he cute? Okay, Joey, you ready to do some math? Really? Okay, he says, "Rrr." That must mean yes. All right, warm up day 2. Go ahead and pause your video and copy it down. Oh, look, Joey, they're back. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and check out our warm up for today. 30 divided by 6, or how many 6s are there in 30, Joey? Oh, he says that's easy. 5. Is that your answer as well? Good job. Joey, I think they got it too. Number 2, 300 plus 200 plus 500. Well, I could do this in my head. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10. And then I see they all have 2 zeros. So I'm just going to add my 2 zeros and look at my number. I need a comma. And it makes 1,000. Then we have 200 plus 700 plus 400. I can do the same thing. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Then I see they all have 2 zeros. And I get 1,300. Is that the way you did it? Remember, math can be solved in all different ways, as long as we get the right answer, right, Joey? Yes. Does this house have symmetry? Well, did you have to ask someone what is symmetry? We've talked about it. Remember, if you fold it in half, will it be exactly the same on both sides? Like a heart. If I folded a heart, they would be exactly the same. So a heart has symmetry. But this house, look, it has a chimney on one side. So we have to say no. All right, because it wouldn't be exactly the same. Number 4, round to the nearest 100. So I'm looking at 193. Is it closer to 100 or is it closer to 200? Well, 93 is way past the halfway mark, so we're going to go 200. That one got rounded up. Now we have 230. Is that closer to 200 or to 300? 30 is lower than the halfway mark of 50, so we're going to go down to 200 again. Okay, see how that works? You'll learn more about that in 3rd grade if you didn't get it this time. Number 5, Joe has 3 baskets of donuts. There are 7 donuts in each. How many donuts are there? So you could have drawn this, the 3 baskets with 7 donuts, and counted. You could have multiplied. What would you multiply? That's right, 3 times 7. So he had 21 donuts. Wow, Joe's lucky. We want some donuts, don't we, little Joey? Okay, Joey, let's look at our workbook pages. Please get out your workbook from yesterday, 687 through 690. We're going to go over this before your test today. Okay? Number 1, use the tally chart to complete the pictograph. The key says each smiley stands for 1 bird. So Reggie, you should have made 4 smileys. Kate has 5. Ted has 2. Mandy has 4. Number 2, use the pictograph. How many birds did Kate count? We said 5 birds. Number 3, you had to write a problem. I can't check everybody's because I'm not in your living room, although I wish I were. I miss you all. Let's turn the page. Number 4, Bev put marbles in a bag. How many more blue marbles than green? So we start with the blue bar. There are 3, and the green bar 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. The answer are 2 marbles. Number 5, the bar graph shows snowfall. How does the graph describe the change? Well, I see my bars going up from November to February, So the amount of snow increased as the months went on. All right, let's turn to the next page. 689, Mr. Green made this pictograph. How many fewer books did Joey read than Tony? I look at the key. One book is one book. Then I look at Joey. Oh, it's Joy. I was thinking it was you, but it's Joy. Joy had 1. Tony had 4. I subtract 4 minus 1, and the answer is 3 books. Number 7, how many cards did Fran make? Well, oh, he almost tricked me. I almost didn't look at that key. Did you look at the key? 1 smiley stands for 2, so I have to count by 2s. Fran's got 2, 4, 6 cards. Number 8, how many mums are in the basket? I'm going to check out the bar graph. The mum is up to the 8. The answer is 8. Use the information to solve. There are 12 marbles in the jar. Okay, so that's 12 in all. All the marble colors, there would be 12 in all. There are the same number of red marbles and blue marbles. So let's see. What would that be then? Well, green has 3 and yellow has 1. That's 4. I know there are 12 in all, so I subtract. That would be 8. If red and blue are the same, how can I divide 8 to be the same for red and blue? Yeah, I just divide it by 2. So 4 for red and 4 for blue. So you had to draw a bar that went to the 4 for red and the 4 for blue. For number 9. Number 10, you should have explained in your own words what we just did. And number 11, write 3 sentences to describe and compare the data on the bar graph. Okay? So, did you use words like increase, decreased, the same? Then you're great. Okay, you now have a test today. So Mom and Dad need to download the 6 pages of your test. There's 6 pages because there's literally only like 2 or 3 questions on a page. Okay? Once you complete the whole test by taking your time, thinking about each question, eliminate the answers you know it can't be till you get down to maybe 2 answers, and then choose the best one of those. Now, when you are all done, you can do this, or you can ask Mom and Dad to do this, to transfer your answers on the answer sheet. Because I don't want everyone to send me 6 pages. That would be 60 pages for me to look over, and it would take me 4 years and a day. Okay, I'd be an old lady. So what we're gonna do is just send the answer sheet to me. We did this on the last test. So you decide if after you take the test on the paper, on here, whether you want to switch over the answers, but you have to be very careful, or you want Mom and Dad to do it just to be extra careful. Okay? Then just send me the warm-up and the answer sheet only. Repeat after me. Warm-up and answer sheet. Very good. All right. Joey, I hope your mommy's coming back soon. Oh, you hear her now? Awesome. Bye.